Let's add these two fractions. As you probably noticed, we have two different denominators. Okay, I have 7 and 14. Anytime you want to add fractions, you have to make sure that the denominators are going to be the same. Now, before you are going to go into the prime numbers, check, maybe we can do something else. Always look at the higher denominator and check if this number is divisible by this one, okay? Or if 7 goes evenly into 14, okay? You're supposed to remember that 7 goes into 14 two times, okay? So 14 is perfect denominator for this example. Okay, so I have 6 over 7 and I have 3 over 14. I have to find the equivalent fractions, okay, to these two fractions. Common denominator we said is 14. 14, and by what number I have to multiply 14 to get 14? I have to multiply by 1. Whatever I did in the denominator, I have to do also in the numerator. So I have 3 times 1 is 3. By what number I have to multiply 7 to get 14? I have to multiply by 2 because 7 times 2 is 14. Whatever I did in the denominator, I have to do also in the numerator, times 2. That's why this is 12. I have to copy these two equivalent fractions into my example. I have 12 over 14 plus 3 over 14. Remember, anytime we add fractions, we have to keep the denominator. That's why my denominator is going to be 14, and I have to add the numerators. 12 plus 3 gives me 15. Now, 15 over 14, this is the example of the improper fraction. Okay, we prefer get the answer in the mixed number form. That's why I'm going to convert improper fraction to the mixed number. How we can do this? Simply divide 15 by 14. The question is, how many times 14 goes into 15? Goes 1. 1 times 14 is simply 14. You have to subtract. 15 minus 14 is 1. My answer is 1 and 1 over 14. Remember, the top number will always go to the front. The remainder will go to the numerator, and the divisor will go to the denominator. This is the solution to our problem. 1 and 1 over 14.